Take your hat off, honey, so I can see you. There you go. You can post this on your Facebook.
I
wonder if they go down to the lake and drink water.
Or on your YouTube channel.
They look pretty healthy.
Hello.
Oh, it feels so funny. That's a puppy.
Well, come on. It's okay. Look, I flipped this one.
She's going away. Poor thing.
You're welcome. Whoa, that felt cool. Here. There you go.
Yeah, he's like, no, I'm not into that.
I don't have any more. Sorry. That's it. That's all I got. That's it. No more. Yeah, this one right here is, I don't know, they're not really that young. I mean, that's a 1, 2, 3, 8 point. I mean, 8 point, probably a couple of years old.